Hey, marketing mavens, Emily, and I am so excited to share with you our welcome program. So not only do our customers get 20% off every single purchase that they make online, there is a VIP program where they get rewarded for consistently making purchases. And there is also a welcome program where they can get products at deeply discounted prices. So let's take a look at our starting welcome program. All right, whoops, let me go back. And here we go. The welcome program is a 5-step program for both customers and consultants. You can get a product kit with a fabulous discount by placing orders in the first 5 catalogs after registration. All right, so let's take a look at the product kit for those who place their first order on October 4th through the 31st. We have the iSol hydrophilic cleansing oil and bubble cleansing foam. The price in the catalog is almost $30. So let's look at the requirements for the welcome program. Register at Faberlic.com and get the 20% discount. Second step, place an order of 50 and above in catalog prices. And third is get the product kit for 1 cent. That's right, I said 1 cent in the next catalog period with another $50 order and above. So that is quite amazing. Every catalog, you'll find different beautiful product kits for the welcome program. Catalog 16 and 17, those that place the first order on November 1st to December 5th will get the Global Oxygen Eye Cream and the Global Oxygen Deep Cleansing Mousse. Those are our flagship products. People love the Global Oxygen. We are the largest seller of an oxygen cosmetics line in the world. Catalog 18, product kit for those that place their first order, December 6th through the December 26th. They will get the Oxyology Hydration Day Cream Fluid, the Hydration Night Cream, and the Hydration Eye Gel, which is valued at $34.97. That's the price in the catalog. The price for the Global Oxygen set was $39.48. So let's take a look at those follow-up for billing periods or catalog periods after they place their first order. Okay, so here are steps 2 through 5. Continue placing orders of 99 and above in catalog prices. Get one of these sets for the price of $9. Continue placing orders of $199 and above. And remember, we always want to shoot for VIP program. So that's 100 points or $160. So we really want them to go over that 160 mark. And you can get one of these sets for $3. So this would be their second catalog period after their first purchase. This would be the third catalog period, the 4th and the 5th. So we have the Oceanum Hydrogel eye patches, Stay On eyeliner, Celebrating Makeup eyeshadow palette, and the Click and Go modeling mascara for a total of about $45. Those eye patches go in the catalog for almost $32. Fourth step would be our Tavarua. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Tavarua perfume for her and cologne for him. The set for the price in the catalog of almost $55. And for the 5th catalog period, the Bio Glow set, one of my favorites, the eye cream gel, the serum, and the liquid patches for correcting worrying lines. That is a value of almost $58 in the catalog. So I hope you're as excited as I am. There's so many different parts and pieces to Faberlic to make it so amazing, and take advantage, get to know all of it, and share it with everyone that you can. Have a productive and amazing week, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.